In this video, we are going to show you the top 5 best folding shopping cart in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made a research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which folding shopping cart is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 5, Whitmor Utility Durable Folding Shopping Cart excellent for carrying groceries, laundry, playthings, and sports devices. Durable easy snap-on wheels are excellent for city dwellers, pupils, and elderly. The retractable style for easy storage, suitable for small spaces, tough building, steel frame, foam deal with for convenience. Luxurious shopping cart transfers jumbo lots as well as hefty items with better simplicity. Whitmor's rolling utility cart simply made family duties a lot easier. Whether you're dumping grocery stores or transporting laundry, this portable cart reduces numerous carrying journeys and also removes possible back pressure. When the cart is not in use, merely fold it level for very easy stow. Constructed of durable, heavy-gauge steel, it calls for no devices to put together, comes with the easy breeze on wheels as well as has a deluxe foam taken care of for comfort. Whitmor is a 4th-generation family-owned and ran service. Because 1946, Whitmor has been devoted to bringing the company home by creating items that simplify day-to-day life. Here is the item number 4, Pipishell Compact Folding Portable. 3 height adjustable take care of. According to the elevation of the human body, we developed a 3 height flexible deal from 38.5 in to 41.5 in, covered with a thicker sponge handle for an even more comfy grasp. Optimum ability to move smooth tires, thanks to the 2 front 360-degree swivel wheels as well as both 7 inches size back wheels, you can change directions efficiently for quick and very easy usage. Merely break the back wheels on or off to effortlessly relocate all directions. Space-conserving grocery cart. Our designers created this foldable shopping cart specifically for the seniors, individuals who have back difficulties, ladies that are expectant, and so on. This cart can fold up to be small, perfect for storing in your trunk, kitchen, or garage. Make your purchasing trip easier. Have you ever battled with heavy products? Our lightweight, however, super research purchasing cart will certainly bring a hassle-free buying journey for you. In between do-it-yourself tasks and also daily activities, we commonly take on jobs that need more than 2 hands. The item number 3, LS Jumbo Deluxe Folding Shopping. Constructed from sturdy steel, foldable, features dual front swivel wheels, large wheels, includes 2 baskets, take care of with soft grip, thick scale steel on wheel axles, capability of 200 pounds. Our deluxe folding cart stows quickly in the closet or when you are on the go. The soft hold deal will certainly give you years of comfort as well as a firm hang on your cart. We added an added basket to ensure that you can maintain your personal points close. Great for handbags, perishables, or private items. The large wheels permit you to bring your groceries up staircases or over curbs without having to dump. The double front swivel wheels will certainly make it simple to browse almost any aisle or street effortlessly. To ensure lengthy life, we made our cart of premium quality steel, yet it considers less than 15 pounds. This cart will certainly last a long period of time. The folding cart does exactly what it should. It folds up rapidly as well as easily. It rarely occupies any type of space in any way. Put it in the closet, or put it in the trunk of your cars and truck. When opened up, it is strong as well as firm, and will not break down when you are using it. We have actually been so pleased to discover it has come to be a have-to-have for a lot of people. Number 2 in our list, Wellmax Grocery Utility Shopping. Compact and lightweight, minimal setting up needed, this collapsible purchasing cart is the best size for any kind of family. Lightweight yet strong, the Wellmax purchasing cart can fit heaps of products, up to 66 pounds. Better yet, this cart is engineered to fold up flat, so it will not occupy useful space in your house or home. Functional and also effective design are 2 of our primary top priorities at Wellmax. Durably built, there's absolutely nothing worse than purchasing an inadequately made item. We are dedicated to crafting a cart that can sustain long-lasting, regular usage. Climbing the staircases? Not a problem. Hiking over a rough pathway? Have no anxiety. Utilizing premium steel products, this cart has actually been carefully crafted to withstand also the toughest wear and tear. Optimal ability to move, our latest model yet. This Wellmax shopping cart can really go wherever you go. Distinctively made for easy ability to move, this cart can alter directions efficiently thanks to 360 degrees, 3-inch swivel wheels in the front, and 7 brake-on wheels in the back. Versatile uses, the Wellmax shopping cart can bring just about anything. Our customers enjoy using it to deliver anything from washing and also grocery stores, to camping gear as well as gardening tools. The possibilities are endless. With a big basket quantity, this cart can fit an assortment of objects in differing sizes and shapes. The top one in our list, Whitmor Deluxe Utility Cart. It's never ever been easier to transfer big lots as well as heavy things like laundry, groceries, as well as sports supplies with this extra big, luxurious utility cart. With durable, very easy move wheels, this cart is terrific for city dwellers, pupils, as well as seniors. Collapsible layout for simple storage, suitable for small rooms. Constructed capacities, 21 x 24.5 x 40.12 inches. Easy setup, just pliers are needed to construct this luxurious rolling energy shopping cart. Foam covered to take care of, provides a soft, comfortable hold. Resilient buying cart built of black epoxy coated steel. For over 70 years, Whitmor has actually been bringing company home. Our enthusiasm for the company is driven by the desire to streamline life, to make everyday jobs quicker as well as simpler so you have more time for what you such as. We believe an efficient residence makes going to house a lot more satisfying, and also, as a family possessed and also operated company, that is very important to us. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best folding shopping cart amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like, comment your valuable opinion, and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.